This is JD's letter P lap book. He decorated the front with stickers of pirates because pirates start with
E.
what?
B.
P.
E.
Alright, let's open it up. Oh, what are these?
Oh no.
Let's see. It's your worksheet. Alright. You circled the things that start with P. Trace the letter P. And he worked on this with his dad. Daddy gave you an A+, huh? Okay. Let's look at this one. Oh, you circled and colored the things that start with P. And you X'd out the ones that didn't. These are some really good P's here, buddy. Good job. Oh, what is this a picture of?
Prayer.
Prayer. She's praying. You colored her purple because purple starts with
Oh no. Green.
purple starts with P. And we went over the Lord's Prayer this week. I think it's a little long for JD to memorize, but that's how it was our Bible study this week. Here's our letter P mini book. Show me all the things. Start at the beginning. What's that?
Panda.
Uh-huh. What's this?
Pig is swallowed. Blue panda.
Oh, okay. Turn the page. What's this?
Rhino and a boy.
Pencil.
Pencil.
What's that?
Rhino.
What is that?
Rhino.
Piano. What's that?
Look. Sophia has Rhino.
Sophia? Okay. What's that?
And Taylor.
Tyler. What's that?
I don't know. Popcorn.
Alright. Now what's that?
And
A
pumpkin.
pumpkin? What's on the back?
Penguin.
Penguin. Thank you, Amy. Is that in the pocket? Good. And we studied penguins, didn't we? You made a penguin picture with Daddy? Okay. Let's see your penguin picture. Oh, wow. You made thumbprint penguins.
Oh no, these eyes.
And what did you say this was?
Penguin egg.
A penguin's egg. Yeah.
Look, it misses the eyes.
Oh, they came out. Oh, Amy got them. Thank you, Amy. We'll glue them back on, okay, buddy? And do you want to sing our song?
Yeah.
The letter,
P.
the letter,
P.
P says,
P.
P says,
P.
popcorn starts with,
P.
penguin starts with,
P.
P says,